Let's dive into the world of new financial assets. Financial assets are constantly evolving, and new types of assets are emerging as technology and market dynamics change. Here are some of the most notable new financial assets. 1. Cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others have revolutionized the financial landscape. These digital currencies use blockchain technology to enable secure, decentralized transactions. They offer a new way to store and transfer value without relying on traditional financial institutions. 2. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs. NFTs are unique digital assets that represent ownership of a specific item or piece of content, such as art, music, or virtual real estate. Unlike cryptocurrencies, which are fungible and can be exchanged on a one-to-one basis, NFTs are unique and cannot be exchanged on a like-for-like basis. 3. Decentralized finance, DFE, assets. DFE refers to a broad range of financial services that are built on blockchain technology and operate without traditional intermediaries like banks. DFE assets include tokens used in lending, borrowing, and trading platforms, as well as stablecoins, which are cryptocurrencies pegged to the value of a fiat currency. 4. Tokenized assets. Tokenization involves converting physical or traditional financial assets into digital tokens on a blockchain. This can include real estate, stocks, bonds, and even art. Tokenized assets can be traded more easily and can provide greater liquidity and fractional ownership. 5. Green bonds. Green bonds are a type of fixed income instrument specifically earmarked to raise money for climate and environmental projects. They are becoming increasingly popular as investors seek to support sustainable and environmentally friendly initiatives. 6. Social impact bonds. Social impact bonds, SIBs, are a type of financial instrument designed to fund social programs. Investors provide upfront capital for social projects and are repaid by the government or other entities if the project achieves its goals. SIBs align financial returns with social outcomes. 7. Digital securities. Digital securities, also known as security tokens, represent ownership in traditional financial assets like stocks or bonds but are issued and traded on blockchain platforms. They offer the benefits of blockchain technology, such as increased transparency and reduced settlement times. 8. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. While not entirely new, REITs have evolved with the advent of digital platforms that allow for fractional ownership and easier access to real estate investments. These platforms enable investors to buy shares in real estate portfolios, providing exposure to property markets without the need to directly own or manage properties. 9. Peer-to-peer, P2P, lending. P2P lending platforms connect borrowers directly with lenders, bypassing traditional financial institutions. These platforms have grown in popularity as they offer potentially higher returns for lenders and more accessible credit for borrowers. 10. Robo-advisors. Robo-advisors are digital platforms that provide automated, algorithm-driven financial planning services with little to no human supervision. They offer personalized investment advice and portfolio management, making financial planning more accessible and affordable.